Most people struggle with budgeting because it feels like a chore. But what if you could automate your wealth with a single prompt? The 50-30-20 rule is a timeless financial framework. It's simple, it's effective, and in 2026, we're making it effortless using AI. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your future self, your savings and investments. This is how you build a life, not just a bank account. Instead of manual tracking, just paste your raw transaction list into Gemini or your preferred AI chat. Ask it to audit your spending and see exactly where your money is going in seconds. Now, let's see the AI in action. I'm pasting my entire transaction list for the month directly into Gemini. Watch how it handles the raw data. In just seconds, it categorizes everything into the 50-30-20 framework. No more manual spreadsheets, but here's the real value: it identifies exactly where I'm overspending. For me, it pointed out these recurring subscriptions and daily habits that were draining my potential investments. By automating this audit, I can redirect my wealth to where it actually grows. Financial freedom isn't about restriction or living less, it's about clarity. It's about knowing that every dollar has a purpose, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Start your AI-powered wealth journey today and build a life that's as organized as it is free.